Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best quiet blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this blender is as affordable as it gets, priced at just $31.96. It's a compact, no-frills blender that packs a 700-watt motor and features 12 blending functions, making it surprisingly versatile for its price point. The design is simple yet functional, with a durable 40-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar and stainless steel ice saber blades that are specifically designed for crushing ice and blending frozen ingredients. The patented wave action system ensures that ingredients are continuously pulled down into the blades, providing smoother results without the need to stop and stir. However, the plastic base and overall build quality feel less premium compared to higher-end models. In terms of performance, this blender handles smoothies, protein shakes, and light blending tasks well, but it does struggle with tougher ingredients like nuts or fibrous vegetables. It's ideal for someone who wants a basic blender for occasional use. The biggest con here is its noise level. Despite its smaller motor, it can get quite loud. But for the price, it's hard to beat the value this blender offers, especially for single servings or simple recipes. Coming in at number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender for smoothies. Priced at $48.95, this blender takes everything good about the budget-friendly 5848A model and adds better performance and a quieter design. With an 800-watt motor and patented wave action system, it delivers smoother results, making it a great choice for those who want to step up from the entry-level model. The standout feature here is its quieter operation. Thanks to the patented base design that minimizes motor and airflow noise, this blender is much less intrusive, making it a great choice for households where noise is a concern. The 40-ounce glass jar and stainless steel ice saber blades are both dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. Additionally, the 5-button control panel is intuitive, with pre-labeled functions that eliminate guesswork. Performance-wise, it handles smoothies, frozen drinks, and light food prep tasks with ease. It's not quite powerful enough for heavy-duty blending, but for its price range, it strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. The glass jar adds a premium feel, but at 6.46 pounds, it's slightly heavier than plastic models. Overall, this is a solid mid-range option for someone who values quieter blending without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. Priced at $109.99, this blender is a powerful workhorse with an 1100-watt motor capable of tackling tough ingredients and pulverizing ice to snow in seconds. It's perfect for families and meal preppers who need a versatile, high-capacity blender that can handle a range of blending tasks. This model features a 72-ounce crushing pitcher, making it ideal for large batches, and comes with 2 16-ounce to-go cups, which is a great bonus for on-the-go convenience. The stainless steel blade assembly is robust and durable, while the 3-speed controls and pulse function allow for manual precision. The design is sturdy, but the plastic pitcher lacks the premium feel of a glass alternative. However, all components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. The BL660 excels at blending smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces, and it even doubles as a food processor for chopping and grinding. The main drawbacks are its noise level, which is on the louder side, and the lack of pre-programmed settings. Still, for those who prioritize power and versatility in a compact design, the Ninja BL660 is a fantastic choice. In second place, we have the WantJoin Commercial Professional Blender with Shield Quiet Sound Enclosure. This blender is designed for users who want commercial-grade power without the noise. Its standout feature is the soundproof shield, which significantly reduces blending noise while preventing splatter and leaks. With an impressive 2,200-watt motor and stainless steel blades, this blender is a powerhouse capable of crushing ice, blending tough ingredients, and handling large volumes with its 80-ounce capacity. The 15-speed control and pulse function offer great versatility, whether you're making smoothies, nut butters, or even hot soups. The self-cleaning mode is a huge convenience, especially for busy users. The design is sleek and functional, with the soundproof enclosure adding a premium touch. However, at 16.5 pounds, it's quite heavy and takes up a good amount of counter space. While it's ideal for restaurants, cafes, and smoothie enthusiasts, the high price and bulky design may not appeal to casual users. But if you prioritize power and quiet operation, this is an excellent investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. Priced at $109.99, this blender takes the top spot for its combination of power, versatility, and innovative technology. With 1,400 peak watts of power and 3 Auto IQ programs, it delivers professional-grade results with minimal effort. What sets this blender apart is the Auto IQ technology, which uses pre-programmed settings to handle blending tasks with perfect timing and consistency. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, or even ice cream, the BN701 does the work for you. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families or entertaining guests, and its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. The design is modern and robust, with a sturdy plastic construction that feels durable but lightweight. While it's slightly louder than the WantJoin, the Auto IQ functionality and overall ease of use make it the best all-around blender on this list. If you're looking for a blender that combines power, convenience, and smart technology, the Ninja BN701 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.